Welcome to Sandra's Big House. This is another holiday video. If you can't decide on Christmas or New Year's dessert, try a gingerbread cake. A very fun and easy to follow recipe that smells just like holidays. We start with making cookie dough. Those large cookies we'll bake will make perfect cake layers, and don't worry, the cake will be very soft and moist. Take a medium to large saucepan and melt following ingredients: butter, sugar, honey, and molasses. Add gingerbread spices of your choice. I have cinnamon, nutmeg, and of course ginger. When melted and hot, add baking soda and watch a fascinating chemical reaction. Mixture will increase in volume and get lighter in color. That's baking soda reacting with the acidity of molasses and honey. If you're new on my channel, I welcome you to follow me. I post useful, tasty, and no BS recipes for cakes, cupcakes, and other desserts. Remove from the heat after 2 minutes on medium heat and let cool just enough to add eggs. Finally, some flour. When dough gets too thick, knead with your hand only until flour is incorporated. This recipe can be used not just for a cake, but as a regular gingerbread recipe. You can bake cookies soft or make them harder like ginger snaps. Ready! Now refrigerate gingerbread dough for 30 to 60 minutes so that it's easier to work with. Divide dough into 5 equal parts and roll each using just flour or 2 sheets of parchment paper. The size of the cake I'm going for is 7.5 inches. When you reach that size, cut circles and prick each with a fork. Bake 1 or more layers at a time in the oven preheated to 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius for approximately 7 minutes. And we get ginormous gingerbread cookies of beautiful color. The leftover dough we'll use to make small gingerbread men for decoration and bake these scraps too for crumbs. Store your gingerbread in a Ziploc bag for up to 4 days before using for a cake, or freeze for longer storage. Frosting is incredibly quick. No melting, cooling, or warming anything. Only 5 minutes and you're completely done. Whip some cream with vanilla and icing sugar until thick, but don't overdo. Now add any fat percent sour cream and mix for another 30 seconds. Look at the smooth, not greasy, not overly sweet cloud. Assemble a cake which is also pretty fast and simple. Divide all frosting into 7 parts, you'll find details below. 4 parts in between layers, 5th part on top and the sides of the cake, and the rest for later. Leave gingerbread cake for at least 8 hours in the fridge. This time will make sure all the extra moisture from icing soaks into gingerbread, making it super soft cake just like a normal cake. When time's up, there's only a few quick steps to make your cake pretty. Use that icing to cover the cake. I don't work too hard on the bottom half as I'm gonna cover it in crumbs anyway. And arrange little man as you like. Let's slice this baby that smells amazing, by the way, like honey and spices, just like the smell of holidays. Hope you will enjoy making and eating my gingerbread cake this season, and subscribe for more delicious and simple recipes.